In this video, we're going to show you how to make the garden bloom soap, perfect for the spring months. Before we begin, measure out all your ingredients for an easy flow when creating your beautiful soap. We're going to start by preparing the lye. Slowly add sodium hydroxide to the water, giving it a gentle stir until everything is fully dissolved. Always add lye to the water and never the other way around. Once it's mixed, set aside somewhere safe to cool down around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Next, combine all butters and oils into a big bowl and heat in your preferred method until all oils and butters have melted. Now we're ready to bring the soap to a trace. Carefully pour the lye solution into the oils. Using a stick blender, blend in short bursts, alternating with stirring. You're looking for a light trace here. The batter should still be fairly thin but stable. Now for the colour, divide the soap batter into separate containers. Add your colourants, one for soft floral shades like pink or lilac and one for green accents. You can leave one portion uncoloured if you like to add a bit of contrast. Mix gently so the batter doesn't thicken too quickly. Stir in your fragrance oil by hand. Try and choose a fragrance that behaves well in cold processed soap to keep things nice and smooth. Let's create the garden bloom design. Pour the soap into the mould with alternating layers. Creating from different heights help create movement, and you can use the spatula to help the design. Just be careful not to overmix the colours. With the end of your thermometer, create swirls in your soap by going up and down. Be careful not to overdo it and mix the colours together. Now cover the mould and leave it to set for 24 to 48 hours. Once it's firm, unmould and cut your soap into bars. Allow the soap to cure in a cool, dry place for 4 to 6 weeks. And that's it, your garden bloom soap is on its way to being beautifully finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more soap making videos like this.